Sync Oven, the world's first countertop oven, equipped with a built-in wireless probe.
What are the advantages over other ovens?
Other ovens only control heat. They don't understand doneness. Sync Oven features a built-in wireless probe that enables truly coordinated cooking and shuts off when it reaches your desired doneness. The probe is ready to use out of the box, no app pairing required. Simply insert and select the preset mode and desired doneness. No need to set the time. Sync Oven panel monitors the temperature in real time. When the probe hits your target temperature, the oven turns off automatically. Perfect beef Wellington every time.
I like my beef medium rare, but I can't seem to get it right.
The wireless probe has a built-in 5-point temperature measurement system accurate to within half a degree. From rare to medium, the Sync Oven can give you what you're looking for. Novice cooks can select 5 probe preset modes with one click, while more experienced users can customize settings to their needs.
Cleaning and storage after each cooking session always takes a lot of effort.
The wireless probe can be easily placed, magnetically stored, and quickly charged. And clean up? Let your dishwasher handle it.
Can the Sync Oven cook a lot of dishes?
It is not only an oven, but also your air fryer and dehydrator. With 12 cooking modes, it handles everything from proteins and veggies to desserts. In air fryer mode, an adjustable speed fan circulates hot air, cutting cook time by 30%. Adjust between 3 fan speeds and control the top and bottom heat independently. The 27-quart capacity fits a 12-inch pizza or a 6-pound whole chicken with room to spare.
I don't want to stay by the oven all the time.
The Typhur app lets you control cooking remotely and monitor temps and timing in real time. Built-in recipes make complex dishes surprisingly simple. Meet Sync Oven, the world's first countertop oven with a wireless probe built right in.